For decades, Alzheimer's disease has been seen as a one-way road. Once the brain is badly damaged, doctors believed there was no way back. But a new study published in Cell Reports Medicine just challenged that belief. Scientists studied mice with advanced Alzheimer's, not early symptoms. Instead of focusing only on plaques, they targeted something more basic, the brain's energy system. After treatment, the mice didn't just slow down, their memory and learning improved. Some performed almost like healthy animals. This does not mean there's a cure for Alzheimer's yet. These results are from animals, not humans, but it suggests something powerful. Even advanced Alzheimer's may not be completely irreversible.